There's a new claim circulating online that someone made $30,000 in 1 month selling AI pet portraits using a tool called Nano Banana 2. At first glance, the business model sounds simple. Customers upload a picture of their pet, AI generates a portrait, and the seller delivers a digital file or printed version. Some listings sell these portraits for around $20 each, so let's break down the math. If someone generated $30,000 in revenue at $20 per portrait, that would require roughly 1,500 orders in a single month. That's about 50 orders every day. But revenue is not profit. Etsy charges several fees, including a transaction fee, payment processing, and listing fees. After those fees, a $20 sale might leave roughly $15 or $16 before advertising costs. And the video itself recommends running ads early to help new listings gain traction. If ads cost even $5 or dollars per sale, the remaining profit could drop to around $10 or dollars per order. At that level, reaching $30,000 in profit would require closer to 3,000 orders in a single month. That's around 100 orders per day. For a brand new Etsy store selling AI portraits, that level of volume is extremely difficult. But there's another factor many people ignore: Etsy's policies around AI-generated content. Etsy allows digital art, but sellers must still ensure the work complies with Etsy's rules on originality, intellectual property, and accurate product descriptions. As AI art becomes more common, Etsy has already seen thousands of nearly identical listings flooding the marketplace. That means competition is rising rapidly, and Etsy could change how it handles AI-generated products in the future. So, while selling AI portraits can work as a niche product, the real challenge isn't generating the image. The challenge is standing out in a crowded marketplace and building consistent demand. Which raises the real question: is the opportunity really the AI tool, or the marketing and positioning behind the product? Would you buy a custom AI pet portrait online? A. Yes. B. Maybe as a gift. C. No. I am really curious to hear what you think about this business model. Let me know in the comments.